Hello everyone. In this video, today we are going to learn about NCERT Class 6 third chapter Playing with Numbers, topic Test for Divisibility of Numbers, exercise 3.3, question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Before moving to the solution part, we will discuss about the divisibility rule of 11. We know that a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digit at odd places and the sum of its digit at even places is either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. Right? So the answer you're getting, no, the difference, it should be either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. Now in black color, I'll mark the odd places. Always move from the right, first place, third place and the fifth place. So first position, third position, fifth position is your odd place. The next one, even place, I'll mark it in pink color. 8, this blank space, and 9, that is second position, fourth position and sixth position. That is your even place. Now what you have to do, you have to sum of its digits, sum of its odd places and sum of the even places. Yes, odd places is nothing but what? 9 plus 3 plus 2. What is 9 plus 3 plus 2? It is nothing but 14, right? Now, next step, sum of the digits at even place. 8, wait, I'll mark it in pink. 8 plus the blank space plus 9. So the blank space, I have written it as question mark. What is the sum of 8 plus 9? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 1, it is 17 plus question mark. I have written the required digit in the form of question mark. Okay. Now next step is nothing but what you have to do? You have to do the difference. You have to do the difference. So 17 plus some number. So 17 plus some number will be the greater. So what has to be there? This should be placed as your minuend minus 14. Am I clear? So this part I have written it here, unknown number, the required digit plus 17 minus 14. So the unknown number plus 17 minus 14, it is nothing but 3. I got my difference like this. Still my question has incomplete because I am not getting a number. I have to get either 0 or divisible by 11. So in this position you can't get 0. Why? You have to add some number to 3. Is it possible to get 0 there? No. So you have to get 11, divisible of 11. So next is nothing but 11. So with this 3, you have to add some number to make 11. That is nothing but 3 plus some number gives you 11. What is that number we are going to find? So how you will find? 11 minus 3, it is nothing but what? 11 minus 3, it is nothing but 8. So the required digit, I found it as 8. So 3 plus 8, it is nothing but 11. You want to check? Yes, you can check it. So this position you go. 8 plus question mark plus 9 it has written. So in the question mark place, what you have to do? 8 plus 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 9, it is 25. Am I right? So now you can subtract and check the even place minus the odd place. 25 minus 14. What is the answer you're getting? It is 11. It is divisible by 11. Am I right? So again I'll repeat these steps. I want everybody to listen. First, I'm marking the odd places and the even places. Then I'm summing it. I'm adding it, the odd place. Then I'm adding the even place. I'm doing the difference. Third step is difference. So unknown number, the required digit plus 17 minus 14. So question mark plus 3. The question mark represents what? The required digit. So still my answer not completed. I have to find what number has to be placed there. I should get 0 or 11. Here I have to add some number with this 3. So 0 option is not possible. So next is nothing but divisibility of 11. So 11 ones are 11. I'm taking with this 3. I'm adding some number to get 11. So how to get 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. You want to check 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Again I'm checking it with the question mark place, the even place. 8 plus question mark plus 9. 8 plus 8 plus 9, I'm getting 25. So even place minus odd place. Sum of even place minus sum of odd place is equal to, I'm getting divisibility by 11. Finally, you have to write like this. Hence, the required number is the question. In the blank space, you have to write it 8. Question number B. Now, mark the odd places. I am marking it in blue. So, first position, third position and fifth position. These are the odd positions. Then, in pink color, I am marking the even position. 8 plus 9 plus 8, that is second position, fourth position and sixth position. Now you have to add the digits. Yes, sum of its digits at odd places. What are the digits are there in the odd places? 4 plus 4, some unknown number. That is the required digit which we want. I have written it as question mark. Okay. So while we are doing some 4 plus 4, 8 plus some unknown number. Okay. Now, sum of the digits at even places. So, what are the numbers are there in the even places? 8 plus 9 plus 8. So, 8 plus 9 plus 8. So, easily you can add it. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 1, it is 25. Am I right? Now, you have to do the difference. So, how you will do the difference? 25 minus 8 plus some unknown number. Am I right? So while doing the difference, subtract 25 minus 8. What is 25 minus 8? Yes, it is 17. 25 minus 8, it is 17 minus some required number. I can't say this answer is divisible by 11 because once I got this unknown number, the required number, then only I can conclude the sum. So what I have to do? Here in this, you see 0 is not possible. Why 0 is not possible? Because 17 minus some number, 17 minus 17 I can't put because 17 minus 17 only I am getting 0. In the blank space I have to put the one digit number. So this condition is not possible. So I have to check for what this answer must to become 11. So what number, with what number I should subtract to get my answer as 11. So how you will find? Very easy. 17 minus 11, it is 6. So 6 is my required number. 6 is my required number. So 17 minus 6 is nothing but what? 11. If you want, you can check this. The blank space is what? 8. 8 plus 6, it is nothing but what? 14. So here even place what I am getting? 25. 25 minus 14, what is my difference I am getting? I am getting it as 11. One more time I will explain. First, sum of the digits of the odd place is what? 4 plus required digit. So I got 8 plus that question mark I have written. Sum of the digits at even place, 8 plus 9 plus 9, I am getting the answer is 25. I am doing the difference. So 25 is the greater number, so I am subtracting with 25. 25 minus 8 plus question mark, the unknown number, 17. How I got this 17? 25 minus 8, it is 17 minus This concept you will learn it in your integer chapter. Minus plus, it is minus, so minus the unknown number. So 17 minus 6, how I got the 6? I have to get either 0 or 11, multiples of 11. Here I can't. If I want 0 here, means 17 minus 17, it is 0. Here I have to put only one digit number. So this case it is not possible. So what I have to do? I have to make the answer to come as 11. So with 17, I have to subtract some number to get 11. So what is that number? So 17 minus 11 equals to 6. So 6 is my required number. This is the part I am checking it. In the blank space, I am writing the number and I am getting the sum. So 25 minus 14, I am getting the divisibility rule of 11. Thank you.